The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is a highly efficient appliance that can produce up to 35 pounds of ice in just one day, making it perfect for hosting events or large family gatherings. This ice maker is incredibly user-friendly, featuring a simple one-click operation that activates its self-cleaning function, ensuring that your ice is always fresh and clean with minimal effort. The chewable nugget ice produced by this machine is perfect for a variety of beverages, offering a delightful texture and slow-melting properties that enhance the taste of your drinks. Despite its powerful ice-making capabilities, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker operates quietly at only 43 decibels, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful environment while it works. Its compact and elegant design not only saves space on your countertop, but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, with a transparent casing for easy monitoring of ice levels. The included ice scoop and the machine's intuitive LED indicators make it easy to serve and manage ice production, ensuring you always have ice on hand when needed.